to another How To Hollis. Today we're going to be talking about logarithms. Now, a lot of people get a little confused or scared about logarithms because they're not really used to it. But the big thing you have to remember is all a logarithm is another way of writing a power. So a power has a base, let's say 10, and an exponent, let's say 2. That's 10 squared. Well, 10 squared is 10 times 10, which is 100. So this is our base. I'll draw a little arrow to it. This is our exponent. And over here, the 100 is our answer. Well, if we wanted to write that exact same thing in logarithm form, we would say log base 10 of 100 equals 2. Now, a couple of years ago, there was a slang term that came out referring to somebody you love as your bae. So I want you to remember, whenever you're writing something in logarithm form, all you have to remember is your bae, the base, the answer, and the exponent. That's all a logarithm is another way of writing an exponent. Now, most calculators will have a button that says log. Now, this log is common log, which is log base 10. And so if I were to take 10 and square it, I get 100. Now, if I want to take the logarithm of 100 in base 10, I get the answer of 2. We can rewrite any exponent, any power with an exponent in logarithm form. So I could say 2 to the third power is 8. And I can rewrite that as a log by saying log base 2, my answer is 8. So log base 2 of 8 is 3. So basically we're just asking, what power would I take this base 2 to get that answer? So log base 2 of 8 is 3. Now, I can't really do that in my calculator. There are a couple other techniques you can do. One of them is change a base. You can rewrite any log as a ratio of other logs in a different base. But that's for another lesson. So what if I said 3 to the x power is, let's just make something up, let's say 27. Well, I could take log base 3 of 27 is equal to x. And so a lot of times whenever you're doing a logarithm problem, it'll be written in this format and you're solving for x. Well, you can rewrite that in this format and we know, well, 3 cubed is 27. So for this one, the x would have to be 3. So whenever you're doing a log, all you have to remember is think of your bae. Base, answer, exponent. Thank you and have a good night.